Thank you. Good night.
Leia. Good night.
Hi, Miss Leia. Can we take pictures with
Who are
you?
you? I'm so sorry. I don't know who you are.
We're just a fan.
Okay.
Please,
Because unless you're on the guest list, we cannot have you back
Yeah,
here.
sorry.
So you'll have to go to the door. I'm
Yeah.
sorry, because if I allow this now, then other people are gonna take advantage of
Yeah,
this.
my friend, Jito and G, we are the co-producer of this show.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
But still,
yeah.
you were not on the
Can we
list.
make
So can you
picture-
wait for me at the door? Because I'm really
We've
sorry.
been
Because
waiting
our
here for a while.
no, sa pinto. No, I'll see you at the door, but don't go outside. Stay inside the door.
Yeah.
Oh, and then stay inside the door. Yeah. It's, kasi kung wala sa listahan, hindi namin pwedeng ipasok.
Okay.
So, I mean,
Because it's for security
can we just
purposes.
A quick photo? Just a selfie.
Okay, sure. There's a spot. I have to close up my room.
Okay. Thank you.
I'll be right out.
Yeah.
But please don't do this again.
Yeah,
Yes, you
just,
want it,
sorry,
sorry.
madam. Dito na lang daw tayo sa labas. Tara na. Diyan daw sa labas, diyan na lang. Okay na. At makapag-picture man na.
mine. Oh, that's your it?
Yes, here you go. Oh my God. What happened?
I don't know. Kasi ito ako.
Ano yan?
This is why we have Gojek.
Ano yan?
Yung credit card niya.
Ay, sorry.
Nahanap.
My God, Maps.
Okay.
Leia, idol na idol ka po namin. Kahit
Thank you
isang
very
picture lang
much.
po.
But again, I have to be
You're so pretty. Wala kang
really be
kupas.
strict about this.
At napakagaling mo, napakahusay mo. Grabe talaga. We're so proud of you po.
But again,
Yes, yeah, we understand po the protocol. Yeah, we got si Leia sa longga.
you can go straight out. That's an exit.
My God.
Out. No. Dito sa baba. Like right here. The gray door down there. The gray door. Huwag kayong umakyat ulit. Just go straight out.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. My God.
Okay, it says exit on the door. Yun ang sundin nyo.
Opo. Okay po.
Okay, here.
Halika na. Dito na.
Okay, no. Just take it here.
Ay.
Just a quick photo, please. Come on.